Hello guys, this is Mrs. Stringfellow, and in this video I want to explain a little bit how to use MathXL to do your homework. So you go to this website. Again, make sure you always sign in to the MathXLforschool.com. So you're going to sign in as a student, and here you're going to enter your username and password, and then we're going to have sign in. So once you sign in my case, I have the instructor, instructor home. So what I'm going to do is, if you're students, you should come to this right here, this page, okay? So you're going to have online college algebra, and then here I'm going to explain a little bit about this. Here you have a calendar, all right? So here we have the available all the homework assignments. And then if you see a clock, that means it's a due date, all right? So you also can do is you can look at the calendar. You can have an overview when is each assignment due. So let's go to look at homework and test. You're probably going to use this the most, okay? So if you look at here, you're going to have a due right there, give you a due time, okay? So for example, the orientation question is due tonight by midnight. So let's go ahead work on this. Let's go ahead just take a look. So here, you guys already done this. Probably you have an idea how to do this already. For some of you didn't get 100%. I just want to make sure you actually understand the fact is you can keep trying. All right. So let's say I do this, got it wrong. Okay, because I'm just looking at, so I'm going to try again. So I'm going to check my answer. So when you check your answer, you actually can just use the enter key. Okay, when you enter, you can. So I'm going to try again. Then I'm going to do a final check. Then what happens is you didn't get the points. Okay, so let's see if I say continue, right? Let's say you got it wrong again. So what I want to show you is if you got this wrong multiple times, you still have the option to redo this question. Right here, that is, you can do a similar question. So basically for all your homework, I give you a limited try, okay? For your homework, I give you unlimited try, so you can actually get 100%. For your test, you only have 1 try. For your quiz, you have 2 try, okay? But for your homework, you really can get 100%. So once you finish this question, you just go next, okay? You don't have to go back every single time. Let's say you don't have to hit this every single time, right? Because what you can do is you just use this tab right here. You can see this, which question you want to jump to, okay? Alright, so let's go ahead. I want to go to another homework assignment. Okay, for some of you guys already started, it's awesome. Like for example, I'm gonna do the first assignment. You can realize if you don't get 60% or higher for the first assignment, actually you cannot go to the second assignment. Okay, because I'm the instructor, I'm gonna show you how this look like. Let me go ahead and go to one of the assignments, because I want to explain to you, you won't have this, alright? Okay, so here we have this question. So let me just minimize it a little bit so you can see that. Okay, so here we have the question. For example, if you want to look at your textbook, you just going to have the question help. You can push the textbook, then you should see your ebook. If you use your iPad, sometimes you cannot see. So that's why I sent a PDF file ebook yesterday to you. So I share that with you so you can actually see it. Okay? Alright, so it take a little bit of time. So here is your textbook. Alright, so then you go next page so you can see your textbook if you want to. Alright, and then another option is you can actually view an example, right? So most of my students really like this because it will give you a step-by-step explain how you do this. Alright, then another one I want to mention is you actually can ask my instructor. Let's say you're really stuck on one question, you have no idea how to do it. You tried, you used the view example, you look at the ebook, you talk to your friends, all the things. You have no idea, you can always push this button, alright? Because I'm a review, it doesn't show. It actually give you a message box. And then you can write down what you struggle with, and then what happens is I will get email from you. Okay? So that is some tools that you could use to help yourself to finish your homework. I just want to show you guys that there's all the things in here you can use. So another thing is study plan. Study plan is a place, it's just for practice. This is not a part of your homework. It's nothing to do with your grade either. So you don't have to do this. It's not required. Okay? So results. For example, I can see my results. I can go there to look. Okay, then I can see my homework, quiz, and test, the grade. Later you can look at that as well. So try to play around and see what happens, and then just don't get too frustrated, right? Because we are not used to it yet. That's why you have some extra time to do the next assignments. I'll take a more video later, but for right now, it's just how you use this program. Okay, I'll talk to you guys soon. And I hope this video helped you a little bit. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.